How to change emoji skin tone in Slack. If you have been using the Slack application and wondering on how to change the skin tone of the emojis, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Slack application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile icon at the top. Select it. Then here you can find preferences, select it. Then here you can find the advanced, just right here, tap on it. Then here you can find default emoji skin tone, now select it. Now from here you can simply change the skin color of the emoji. Now tap onto one, just like this, and go back, and now you can see the skin tone of the emoji has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change emoji skin tone in Slack. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.